And how much you guys will be able to believe? I have seen my own mother. She's still alive. I'm seeing her now for last 37 years. It's not that she was always only in the high in her life. She was born and brought up to a very decently established family. I can say that her parents are upper middle class people. I heard in those days that was the most organized and largest wedding happened in that whole village. She had that kind of a background, but my father was not that rich and he could not maintain even the wealth given to him by my grandparents. But throughout last 37 years, I am seeing her. I have not seen her even once trying to establish her identity by throwing tantrum. I just feel blessed that I am carrying her biomemory. Please understand. Even now, she is literally the Sangha Janani. Means she is the mother of our whole Sangha. She is the Sangha Mata. Literally. But I have never seen her establishing her identity, establishing her existence by throwing tantrum. Even now, whatever way she established herself, it is always through contribution. She is the embodiment of this one concept. Establish yourself only by contribution. If not, just lie down. When she is not able to do that, she will just lie down. But never take up the other route of establishing the identity by throwing tantrum or any power game or authority. I don't know how I will be able to convince all of you. If you lived in the ashram or if you have lived around her, you will know this one idea. She is embodiment of that one idea. I have seen her even from my childhood. Even when family went through the worst poverty, never I have seen her shouting at my father even once. Never I have seen her demanding from my father even once. Asking for something, fighting for something. Even when my father was not in the right mental state of doing some business successfully, even when he was frustrated, she took it up and started running a small grocery shop. I have seen her. She will cook in the morning, run and open the grocery shop. She will manage the grocery shop. In the night, she will lock the shop and come back and again cook. Of course, it's a large giant family. We had grandmother, so many other people also supporting her in cooking the jobs of the house. But throughout, she established her identity only by contributing. I have not seen her once fighting with anybody. Even though she gets bullied many times, understand all these points I am explaining. Agitative decisions, trying to establish your identity by throwing tantrum, imaginary background music and edited replay of flashbacks, all these things are directly connected with each other. All these are closely related to the stupid entertainment industry and the ideas it dumps on your head. The way she stood only contributing. I've never seen her throwing tantrum or trying to establish her existence or survival by throwing tantrum. Even now, literally she owns the whole Sangha. But I have never seen her doing anything other than contributing. So many times I have told her to take care of herself, whatever she wants to have and all that, but she will never accept any of my blanket offerings. Just like every ashramite, whenever I need, I'll come for approval and get it. Stop with that. Just like any ashramite, if they want to go to hospital, they will ask the welcome center, I need vehicle. Send me to hospital. Give me medical assistance. Or if they want any clothes or any housekeeping necessity, they will go to the welcome center and tell, I want this, and then housekeeping will supply. That's exactly the way she lives even now. I'll tell, what is this? Why are you going and standing all there and all? You just have everything for yourself and do it. She'll say, no. Whatever is for everyone, let me do like that. Let me live. Never I have seen her establishing her identity, even for the small basic things which will not harm the Sangha. See, if she establishes her identity, I am the mother of Swamiji, for her soap and paste brush, it is not going to affect the Sangha. Or it's not going to affect the flow of the life for our medical care or anything. She won't assert, even in those small basic needs, she will not put her foot down or she will not throw tantrum. If you live around her, you will understand whatever I am saying is true. I tell you, wherever you are, establish your identity only by contribution. You will be such a light. When I say light, L-I-T-E and L-I-G-H-T. You will be such a light being. Do not believe this false theory of you need to throw your weight to establish yourself. It is wrong. It is false. Don't try to tell me, you don't know the atmosphere. I am in Swamiji. My industry is like that. My family is like that. The background, the office I am working is like that. Unless I throw my weight, nothing can get done. No, it is. Please do not. I have seen the universe more than you. Please believe me. I know the laws of the universe more than you. Always establish yourself by contribution.